Rock, paper, scissors! I won! Hey! And I picked this little guy. In you go! Whoa! Check out that color! Crazy! I'll take one of these. Which leaves the ketchup for me. Ugh! Gah! My mouth is on fire, people! This is really bad. Ha! Scissors beats paper! What does this one have in store for us? Yes! It's pink for me! And green for me. Ugh! Oh boy! This is worse than the hot sauce! Ugh! I hate this! Ready? Let's go! Rock, paper, scissors! Finally! I pick this one. Please be orange. You've gotta be kidding me! Luck is not on my side today. It's all mine. Here goes nothing. How do I look? See you in an hour, dear. Behave now. Oh, I will. Now let's get down to business. Let's see. How to make slime. Whoa! That stuff's gross! It's perfect! Whew! This sure is quite the process, but it's gonna be so worth it! Seeds, please! So many colors! I'm home! Did a craft store explode in here? I was only gone 20 minutes! Mom? Are those balloons for me? Actually, let me teach you a little trick. Watch closely. Snip a piece of the sides off. Then put another balloon inside. Then funnel in some glitter in whatever color. Ooh! Wash it down with some water. Then close it with a ribbon. And squeeze! It's all yours! Wow, this thing is crazy cool! Like a bulging eyeball or something. It ought to keep you busy for a while. That was a fun little outing, huh? But it sure feels good to be home. Phew! Whoa! Your hair brought the whole park back with it! Looks like it's time for a bath, with lots of shampoo. A bath? No! I hate getting clean! I want to stay dirty forever! Maybe this isn't the way to go. I have a better idea. This cone is more than dog-friendly. It's kid-friendly as well. And it holds her hair out of her face. What's going on? You know I hate baths! We'll be done in no time, sweetheart. I'm not even getting wet! Cool! But your hair sure is getting clean. Just look at all those great suds. I could stay here all day, Mom. This is some of my best work yet! I wish I could live in these clouds! Now for the birds. What happened? I'll never get to finish my picture! I bet I could just sharpen it, right? Aw! I bet Dad's nose will work! Aw, it's still totally broken!
What's that now? Where was I?
I'll never draw again! Oh no! What's going on? Your pencil broke, huh? I know how to turn that frown upside down! Potato peeler to the rescue! Works like a charm! Now you can draw again, sweetie! You're the best, Mom! Now I gotta make up for lost time! Well, how do you like it? I can't see a thing! Is that me? Well, art is interpretive. Way to go, honey! Finally on the last load! Why is it sticking together? Come on! Gah! Look at all this candy stuck in here! Hey! Not a hard mystery to solve. Hand it over. Now what? Of course! First, tie the balloon to the stick. And wrap it around. This thing's not going anywhere now. Candy and a balloon? Mmm! And I don't have to hold on to it! This is the coolest thing ever!
I'm glad you like it.
Oh yeah! Candy for everybody!
You're too funny. Honey, you look terrible. This calls for some medicine. You'll feel better after this. Come on, open up. You'll feel better.
I hate this stuff, it's gross! Get it out of here!
She needs it. If only it tasted like candy. Then she'd eat it all. Which gives me a brilliant idea. These gummy bears are about to change the game. Once you've set them up, use a syringe to drop the medicine on them. Just on the tops. Then it's off to the oven they go. See you bears soon! See how they melt into the medicine? Then place a stick on top and let it harden that way. Ready for a treat? It's made of your favorite candy!
A lollipop when I'm sick? It tastes kinda different.
Make sure to finish it all, okay?
Still busy with that thing? She won't mind. Thanks, Mom!
For dirtying my soda bottle? I think I can fix this problem. See this bottle? Stick it into this paper cup. Then get a skewer like this and pierce it right through the cup. Nice! Now get a straw and stick it right on through. There! Pretty interesting, right? Okay, sweetheart, here you go. Just use the straw, okay? Screw the cap off for me. Now watch it flow!
That's incredible! Just look at it go! Thanks for the drink, Mom! More, please! Wait, how many petals does a daisy have? Oh, what should I draw next? Maybe a giraffe? I'm all out of room! I can't believe I'm all out of paper! This is the worst day ever! I hate going to the bathroom!
What is that high-pitched sound?
Mommy! The toilet paper isn't my friend!
Oh, bathroom troubles, huh?
Yeah, I ran out of toilet paper! See?
That's quite a predicament. Let's do a little experiment. Here, why don't you help? All scientists need a white coat. Let's pour in a little salt. And some food coloring. A couple drops is all you need. Then comes the vinegar.
Whoa!
These toilet rolls are really coming alive, see?
Wow! That's incredible! Do it again! This is so much fun!
No more tears, okay? Ready, set, go! Ah! Whoa! Go! Pop them all! Yes! I lost! Yay! Woohoo! How many of these parenting hacks do you think will come in handy on a rainy day? Let us know what you think, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe!